Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jamie here at the House of Hard Knocks, Allen Auto Sound, Thousand Oaks, California. Just want to show you a little project we got finished up here with some of the upper end Focal Utopia speakers, Masconi amplifiers, we did some Kevlars, and a bitchin' underneath the seat box with 313 TW. Notice in here, we maintained the factory stereo, no changing to the factory system. We just added speakers, a processor, and a Zen module in order to control everything. Have the Masconi processor, the Aerospace 8 to 12. Focal Utopia speakers with handmade 8 pillars. Houses the 3 and the tweeter. Same thing on the driver's side. Hello. Awful pretty, ain't it? We also got here in the back door. We did the Focal 165 KRX 2s, components in the rear doors, move the tweeter to the back so we can adjust the imaging via time alignment and not have that tweeter just eat your ear off right behind you when you lean the seat back a little bit. Then also you take a peek there underneath the seat. We added in the company logo for the customer, full lid up, got 313 TW5s in it. Yeah, that, a couple of week project, beautiful sounding, state of the art. Integration system into a brand new car, so you don't have to change any of the factory amenities. You can keep everything to screen, all the big buttons and dials, and have a state-of-the-art sound system to piggyback it. Thanks again, stay tuned for more videos.